This is a Bangkok rainstorm on a Sunday night. It's quite dark and extremely humid. See it lighting up here. It's about 8 o'clock at night. If you look down here on the street, it's been raining for about maybe 15 minutes, and you can see how flooded. Street, I can't use camera. See how flooded the street is right now. Maybe not. Not really a lot of good drainage in this country, but trust me on this, it is very wet, and lightning is actually right over my apartment. It's in the last 5 minutes I've seen several pitchfork bolts coming down, so I've been trying to take photos, but as I am not a great photographer, I don't know how to do that, so I opted for the easy route, which is to make the movie instead. Over here. When it rains like this, you actually can't see anything. It's just there's so much rain. Like it looks like there's a fog over the city, but it's just rain. It's just a giant rain cloud. I do enjoy the sound though. It's rain in the tropics, and the weather. I mean, not the weather outside, but the temperature where I'm standing on my balcony is beautiful. It's about 25 degrees maybe Celsius, 26, and it's nice and cool. And by cool, I mean cool for this climate. It's obviously not cool for back home, but it's nice. It's a nice break from the 35 or the oppressive 40 Celsius that you'll get in April in Thailand. Look down here, you see some taxis. Flooded. Hopefully we get some more lightning on film. Don't hear a lot of thunder, but these kind of storms happen every night in summer. And this is the start of the summer season, April, in Thailand. It's probably the hottest month. Every day is kind of the same. It's hot, but I guess the rains will come soon. Whoa, that was impressive. But apparently the rainy season starts in June. And it's not supposed to be like this, but when a day is this humid, it's usually going to end up raining at night. I mean, this is true back home. You go to Florida or something, it's the same thing. That's one of the reasons, one of the things I didn't like about Korea was that you never had the late night thunderstorm to clear up the oppressive humidity of the day. It just kind of hung like a bad smell for 2 months, but this climate's very much like Florida's, where it's going to be hot, and then at dinner time or just shortly after sunset, you'll get a nice storm like this for an hour, and the temperature dips down about 8 to 10 degrees Celsius. It's nice. All right, let's try and get one more. Great sound, the rain hitting the corrugated roofs down there. I love that sound. You look straight down on the 15th floor here. rain is starting to come in. I'm usually quite sheltered here in my little balcony, but the wind is starting to blow the rain in. So I don't really feel like standing here getting wet. So I will end the video now. More movies from Bangkok at a later date. Bye bye.